Hey y'all, we're back with another Mav Pack hack from K&A Custom Fabrics. Today we will be doing Gus Gus from Cinderella. We have his ears to cut out and his little hat with a tuft of hair. Let's get these cut out and then we'll be right back. And we are back. I have edge coated all the ears and our hat hair piece, and now we are going to attach them. So for our ears, on this black part, this is going to be in the seam, so we're going to clip this so that it's more flexible when we sew it down.
I'm going to do this with both ears.
All right, so the ears are going, they go like pointed upwards so that they're like open, because it would look silly if they were like this. That's not how the ears are supposed to look. So we are going to start sewing here, and we're just going to sew all the way down the side. So we're going to start just like so at this top flat part, and it's okay for this to hang over just a little bit. So we're going to flex this as we sew it on so that when we flip it over in the seam, it'll flex. It's hard to explain, but just trust the process. Okay. Let me get some clips. And you can use whatever kind of clips you want. If you wanted to put a little bit of tape, you can. So we have our top point here and our point here. I'm going to align those first. I'm going to clip that. And we are going to just kind of clip this with the curve, like this a little bit. There you go. Just like that. And then I'm going to start sewing on this side on the bottom. And we're just going to baste it on here. So it's going to look like this, and then when we sew it, it'll kind of pop out like that. So we're going to start here, and we're going to just baste it on an 1/8 of an inch. And it's okay if the ear overlaps the main panel, because we'll have extra in the seam allowance. And I'm just going to flex this while we're sewing it, just like so. And I'm trying to follow the line from the stitching from when we top stitched it before we edge painted it. Back stitch. Let's see how that looks. That looks perfect, just like that. So then we're going to do the same thing with this side. And you'll see that it hangs over just a little bit on the edges. We'll trim that off. That's not a big deal. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to start with it at the top of this pointed part here. We're going to match that up with this edge here. And we're just going to clip this all the way around, just like so. Just like that. So it fits that round shape. And we're going to start here at the top, and we're going to baste it on an 1/8 of an inch. Back stitch. We're going to flex that. It's going to look just like that. And now we need to sew on his hat and hair. And this is going to be a little bit tricky. So let's get a little bit of tape. I have some 1-inch tape here. If you wanted to attach this with a snap, you could. You would have needed to put the snap in before you top stitch this. You would have to put 2 snaps because one, it would just go back and forth. But snaps are unreliable, and today we're going to stitch it on. I'm just going to put a little bit of 1/8 inch tape here on this bottom back seam. That's where we're going to be taping over today. All right, clips to the side. Okay, so we are going to line up the hair over the eyebrows, and we're just going to eyeball it here. So we're going to be centering the hair with the center of this top, but just on the top of the eyebrows. So it's going to be just like so that the hair is almost touching the ears, just like that. Let's see. So it's going to look just like that. That looks so cute. And so you want to make sure that that this part isn't going to be in our seam allowance. So we're going to sew across here, and then I'm going to come back and another stitch right on top. But be careful you don't stitch on top of your ear. So it's here. Put my needle down. I'm going to back stitch. If you wanted to pull your threads longer and tie it in the back, you can. For security purposes, I'm going to back stitch. Make sure you fold those ears out of the way. I'm going to come all the way down here. And when I get to the tip, I'm going to pivot all the way back around. And I'm going to come back just above that stitch line. And then I'm going to backstitch. I probably could have used a better coordinating thread, but I used white, which is okay. It is handmade. It's supposed to look that way. I'm sure tan maybe might have looked, I don't know, might have been easier, but I wanted you guys to see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is how it looks from the back. We have our stitch here, which is out of our seam allowance. We have our ears. Oop. And there you go. That's how it's going to look when she's done. Let's attach our lining real quick. And then we will assemble this as per the regular Mav Pack instruction video. Just make sure that when you are attaching your gusset, that you are being careful not to clip any of these extra pieces. Make sure that they stay out of the seam allowance. Yes, like that. And like this. I'm gonna bend it like that. Yep. All right. Cleaned up those edges there. This is a little sneak peek of how it's going to look when it's done. All right, let's fast forward through this, and then I'll see you when we're ready to turn. All right, and we are back with our Octavious Mav Pack hack. Let's heat this vinyl up a little bit so that it's easier to turn. I'm using my embossing gun from Amazon. That should help. Usually I press the bag against my body to turn it, but I can't do that on camera. Well, I could, it's awkward. But this is nice and soft. Push out all those corners. And here he is, our little Gus friend. If you wanted to, you could glue these so they stick back, but I think it looks fine the way it is. And there you are. Let's pat our little extras. Extra. I have our pocket pouch. And I have my matching Jacques purse pal. And the little crossbody connectors. Aren't they cute? Put those on here too. All right, well, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the box below. And until next time, see you later. Bye. Feed me cheese. Feed me cheese.